Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. Okay, so today we will see another chapter. Okay, that is unordered list. In the previous video, I have covered the order list. So today in this video, I'll cover the what unordered list. Okay, so if you see that what is unordered list, and if you haven't gone through previous video, so you can see that what is unordered list means. So the unordered list will be having a tag called UL, and it will be having inside that another few more tags are like list. You can use the list tag. So unordered list is you like by default it will take the bullets. Okay, so that is what about the unordered tags. So let's see with the in the previous video also I have covered the what is the list and what is the have about the what is the order list and unordered list and the description list. But I haven't covered the practical about the unordered list. I have only covered the order list practical. And if you want to know about the what is the order list, and you can watch the previous video that is order list. Okay, in the HTML playlist. Okay, so now, so let me go to practical session. Okay, so now here, let me create a one file here, new file itself for unordered type, unordered list. List dot HTML. Okay, so now shift plus 1. Okay, and enter. So this will give the automatic basic structure of the HTML. And let me create unordered list using the UL tag. Okay, so UL tag is used for unordered list. Okay, so li, so I want a 3 means I into 3. This is a shortcut keys, you can use it. Okay, so let me use HTML. Okay, CSS and JavaScript. Here nothing I'll do as of now. Again, if I want more list, so I can just use the li into 4. If you want 4, if you want 5, you can use it how much you want. As of now, I'm using 3. So AWS, Azure, and also DevOps. Okay. So I'm using this list to display as an unordered list. So let me close this one. Okay. So let me run this file and close. So you can see it is using the what bullets. Okay. Okay, ma'am, what if it is like, for example, if I don't use the unordered list, the tag. Okay, so if I don't use the unordered tag, unordered list tag. Okay, so it will give by default tag, the list, whatever it is there, it will take the bullet tag, bullet thing. Okay, but there won't be any kind of margin. If you see before, there is some kind of margin. Now let me refresh. So there is no margin for that if you use that one. So if you want unordered list, you can use just use the unordered list. If you want some margin and everything, then you can use the unordered list. Even though if you use the list also, it will give the bullet only. But the difference is like you won't get the margin you wanted by default. Okay. I hope this video is useful and you have understood what is the unordered list. And if you have liked this video, if you understood the video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.